Good afternoon. Well, let's hope the weather improves a little bit. We're looking forward to another season of making beautiful gates, handmade gates and garage doors. So please do get in touch with us. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and keep an eye out for our latest YouTube films. What are we using to protect your beautiful gates? We're using Barrettine wood protector. Barrettine is an oil and solvent based deep penetrating wood protector. It protects against wood boring insects, fungi and mould. It has a semi-transparent finish which allows you to see all the beautiful grain in the wood. It does not require any extra oversealing to protect. Please do get in touch with us if you want to know any more about this product. It's really, really good stuff. It's so easy to apply. Remember, all you need is a bucket and a brush.